Studies show that barely a third of all Americans keep detailed budgets, and it's not hard to see why. Keeping track of your finances can be tedious and time-consuming, but it doesn't have to be. Introducing Budgie, a new money management app that combines a sleek, intuitive interface with a rich set of visual tools to make taking charge of your finances both easy and, dare we say it, fun. To get started, just tell us a little bit about where you are and how much you'd like to save every month. From there, you'll be taken to the Budgie dashboard, which puts keeping track of your finances front and center. With each new transaction you enter, Budgie's charts instantly update, allowing you to see their immediate impact on your daily, weekly, and monthly trends. And the more you use Budgie, the more useful Budgie becomes. It provides multiple views into your financials, including a map which allows you to see where your money is going, literally. And you can export it all to your desktop or your Dropbox folder. In addition to tracking your money now, Budgie helps you plan for the future by allowing you to set and manage goals. And once you've achieved them, Budgie will automatically reflect that. Budgie Lite for iPhone and Android makes it easy to stay on top of things wherever you may be. Budgie was created by Vijay Aguilar, Thomas Loop, Joseph Martin, and Kaushik Sahu, using a tech stack that includes Angular, Ionic, Express, and MySQL. To learn more, explore Budgie on the web or check out our repo on GitHub. Budgie. Money management made simple.